So, hello, namaskar everyone, and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika, and today in this video, we will be doing a project overview of Swanandi Blossom Ravit, which is located near Ravit Hanging Bridge, Ravit, Pune, and developed by NB Bonfe Groups. And in this video, we will be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price unlike other current listing platforms. If you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview with the help of 3D model. Swanandi Blossom Ravit will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers. Each tower will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 28 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और इसी के बैक साइड में मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. Coming to the location part, project is just located near Ravit Hanging Bridge, Ravit, Pune. और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है ऑन BRTS रोड से. Coming to the connectivity part, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है संत तुकाराम ब्रिज विद इन 220 मीटर्स, D-Mart within 950 meters, Zudio within 2 km and Mumbai-Bangalore highway within 2.2 km. And now coming to the amenities part with the help of 3D model. Project has luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gymnasium, indoor games, kids play area, senior sit-out area, jogging track and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Swanandi Blossom Ravit has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK is for 830 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1142 to 1162 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Swanandi Blossom Ravit, which is located near Ravit Hanging Bridge, Ravit, Pune, and developed by NB Bonfe Group. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.